Hi, today I'm going to show you how to do a nozzle check test page on an Epson XP4105. So, from the home screen of the printer, we're going to use the arrow keys to move along until we get to maintenance. We'll press OK to go in. The very first option we have here is print nozzle check. So, press OK. OK again. And after just a few seconds, we'll be presented with a page like this. Now this takes the 4 colours your printer is capable of printing and does this little fine kind of gate-like design with it. This one is absolutely perfect, but what you're looking for is any kind of gaps or anything that are in here where the printer cannot do the fine detail, or maybe you've even got a colour missing completely. Now this is a great way of determining if there's an issue with a particular colour, or kind of really narrowing down any kind of issues you're getting on the results of your printing. But if we take a look at the screen now, you've got 2 options here. One with the gaps that I was just mentioning, and the other which is close to what we've got there. Mine is fine, but if you do have gaps, you go into this, and then your printer will automatically take you into the process of cleaning, which will push fresh ink into the print head, hopefully dislodging any dried or congealed ink and improve the quality of your prints. So if that's relevant for you, run through that, and you can keep going in circles from here until you've got a quality of print that you are happy with. Now hopefully your print's looking as good as mine and you don't need to do any cleans. Otherwise, good luck with the cleaning cycles. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.